Hey y'all, welcome back to Such a Joy. I am Joy and I'm back here with another video, and today I'm doing a unboxing of the new products that I'm about to start. So some of these you guys have seen me use before anyway, like our Delgado, which is our slimming coffee. It has a Ventre-Z, it has Ganoderma, it helps suppress your appetite, but it tastes oh so good in vanilla almond milk. Like, it be so good. Like Starbucks too. And then, and you guys have seen me use this before. This is our Alleviate, which is our CBD pain relief cream, but I use it on my stomach before I work out, and then I wrap up in saran wrap and then put my waist trainer on, well, my sweatband on, and this helps you get rid of the water weight. Like, it really, like, my waist was looking so good when I was using it, so I was like, you know what, let me go back to Old Faithful, because listen, Alleviate is where it's at, period. But I'm about to try some new products. So these are the new products I'm about to start. It is our Slim AM, which is a pre-workout and it's good for heart health and all of that. Let me see what else it says. It also is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, and it also has pharmaceutical grade L-argin that is intended to reduce lipid and plaque levels while increasing your physical activities. So yeah, so you take this in the morning time or whenever you about to work out, like before you work out, probably like 30 minutes, let's see. You can take it anytime, but best to use prior to a workout. It doesn't say like how fast. I would probably do it like at least 20 minutes before workout. So Slim AM. And then I'm about to try Blossom Me. Like, listen, y'all, I've been wanting to try Blossom Me for so long. This is our women health supplement. And it is great for young women who are experiencing PMS, and like it's for like mood and all the stuff like that. But it's also good for older women who are going through menopause, or some young women go through premenopause. So it is good for that. I'm gonna read it to y'all because, like I said, this one is very new to me. Blossom Me acts as estrogen in the body, balancing your hormones, controlling your cravings. Ooh, baby, I need that. The hormones and the cravings part. And improving the complexion of your skin with continued use. It can also help regulate your body, your immune system. Oh, okay. And control inflammation. Okay. Some of the all-natural ingredients include Ganoderma, which is a red reishi mushroom, black cohosh, and maca root. Oh, and I heard a lady talking about that. They were telling her to get that for menopause symptoms. But anyway, all of which have been used in traditional medicine for years. Maca root and black cohosh are intended to not only help with menopause symptoms, but they also aid in improving your mood and energy levels. Yes. Begin your journey today and start feeling mentally and physically balanced. So, yes, I cannot wait to try this. So, I'm going to definitely let you guys know how these two do. So I'm taking a break from NRG just because, like, this is going to give me energy and this is going to help improve my mood, which NRG does together. NRG is for men and women, but this one is just for women. And this is for men and women too. But so I'm gonna let you guys know how it does. I'm so super excited. Like, it says supports healthy balance, weight, and complexion. So I'm definitely going to let you guys know how I see a change within a week, how these products make me feel. Y'all already know. I'm going to tell y'all the truth. So yes, I cannot wait. I definitely can't wait to use my Alleviate in the morning. Like, I've been missing my Alleviate. Like, it really take your workout to a whole nother level with getting rid of that water weight. And I love Delgado. Like, when I say, I'm going to tell you how I make my Delgado. I put it in vanilla almond milk, a cup of vanilla almond milk. I put whipped cream on top of that, and I put cinnamon on top. Like, Starbucks too. Like, y'all, like, do it from home. It's way cheaper and way less calories. Yeah, I can't wait. Tomorrow morning, I'll definitely be taking it. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you go add me on Instagram at joy_takes_charge, where you see my daily routine of how I take my products and when I take my products. So and how my products make me feel on the daily. So yeah, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed this video. like I always say, let me know if you have any questions that I can answer, because I definitely do not mind answering your questions. You can leave them in the comments below, or you can DM me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.